Yes, it's 20. Yes, yes. It's 20, 20, 20. It's 20, 20. 20. Quick, get to the platform! Whee! Yay, I got in the platform. Oh no, Peyton died. Wait, how did he not die? Gifts will start falling from above. Ah! No! No! Ah! 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 No, 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 please, please. No, no, the gift, the gift, the gift, the gift. No, 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 it's so hard, it's so hard, it's so hard. So hard. How? We give it, no, 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 no. Oh no, this is harder than I thought, bro. Oh my god. Oh no, it fell down again. It fell down. Oh my god, oh my god. No, no, no. I'm losing. I'm losing. It has 5 seconds left. No, why do I always skip friend? What? With 13 presents? Wow. Maybe he's good at the game. So, yeah. Wait, what was that, bro? Trampoline again? Wow, I love it. Yay! Wee! Wow, guys, it's so funny when you're jumping the trampoline and you got fling out, you will absolutely fall. And now, don't go to the slide. Wait. Let me say something. So, don't go to the slide. Don't go to the slide. No, don't go to the slide. Guys, I'm going to press this button. They don't even listen to them. Okay, guys. So whoever opens the treasure wins. Whoever opens it. Oh no. Yes. Wow! 10 coins. Yay! I got 10 coins. Wow. Oh, get ready for a sword fight. No, you will die. No. He died. She died. She died. Only 2 people left. No! I died. I died. No. Oh no. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Enjoy and please subscribe. Bye.